Top 10 Deadliest Natural Disasters from 2023 to 1999. Tell me in the comments, have you ever experienced an earthquake? Welcome to Factology. Number 10. 2023 Turkey and Syria earthquake. On February 6, 2023, an earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8 hit southeast Turkey near the Syrian border, with its epicenter located in Gaziantep province, specifically near Nargis. The quake caused at least 120 aftershocks in the following days, as reported by the United States Geological Survey. Turkey's president, Recep Tayyip Erdogan, stated that the earthquake affected around 13 million of the country's 85 million citizens and declared a state of emergency in the affected area for 3 months. Even before the earthquake, over 6.5 million children in Syria required humanitarian aid due to the ongoing conflict. The World Health Organization estimated that this disaster would likely affect around 23 million people, including 1.4 million children. Number 9. 2011 Japan earthquake. In 2011, a massive earthquake of magnitude 9.0, which was the strongest earthquake ever recorded in Japan and the fourth most powerful earthquake in modern record-keeping, struck off the coast of Japan, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. The earthquake triggered a massive tsunami that struck the northeastern coast of Japan, and its waves, reaching as high as 40 meters, 130 feet, traveled up to 10 kilometers, 6 miles, inland in some areas. The earthquake and tsunami resulted in the deaths of over 15,000 people, with thousands more injured. Additionally, the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant was severely damaged by the disaster, causing a nuclear accident and the release of radioactive materials that led to the evacuation of more than 150,000 people living in the vicinity of the plant. The 2011 Japan earthquake and tsunami is one of the deadliest natural disasters of recent times, and it has had a long-lasting impact on Japan, both in terms of the human toll and economic damage. Even now, the country is still recovering from the disaster, with ongoing efforts to clean up the nuclear site and support the affected communities. Number 8. 2010 Russian heat wave. The 2010 Russian heat wave was a natural disaster caused by a high-pressure system that led to drought conditions and abnormally high temperatures for several weeks. Moscow was severely impacted with record-high temperatures reaching 38.2 degrees Celsius. The disaster caused over 2,000 wildfires, significant agricultural losses, and resulted in a loss of life, with an estimated 56,000 people dying due to heat-related causes. The economic impact was substantial, with estimated losses of $15 billion. Number 7. 2010 Haiti earthquake. In January 2010, a catastrophic magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck Haiti, causing extensive damage and loss of life. The earthquake is considered one of the deadliest natural disasters in history, resulting in the deaths of approximately 230,000 people and the displacement of over 1.5 million. The disaster severely impacted Port-au-Prince, with buildings and infrastructure suffering widespread damage, and rescue efforts were hindered by limited resources. Number 6. 2008 China earthquake. On May 12, 2008, a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 7.9 struck China's Sichuan province. According to Chinese state officials, the quake caused 69,180 known deaths, 18,498 people are listed as missing, and 374,176 injured. The earthquake caused extensive damage to buildings and infrastructure, including schools, prompting a large-scale relief effort from the Chinese government and international organizations. This earthquake is regarded as one of the deadliest and most devastating in modern Chinese history, and efforts have been made in subsequent years to rebuild and reinforce infrastructure in affected regions, with a particular emphasis on improving earthquake preparedness and response strategies. Number 5. 2008 Myanmar Cyclone Nargis. On May 2, 2008, Cyclone Nargis devastated Myanmar's coast, causing a significant loss of life and widespread destruction. The Category 4 storm resulted in an estimated 138,000 deaths and left millions in need of humanitarian assistance. Homes, schools, hospitals, and other infrastructure were severely damaged. The disaster was compounded by the poverty and lack of resources of those living in affected areas. The international community provided extensive aid and support. Number 4. 2005 Pakistan earthquake. The Pakistan-administered region of Kashmir was struck by a major earthquake on October 8, 2005, which had a magnitude of 7.6. The earthquake resulted in widespread damage and loss of life, with an estimated 86,000 people dead or missing and many more injured. Infrastructure and buildings, including homes, schools, and hospitals, were extensively damaged. The region faced significant challenges in providing aid and support to those affected, with many people left homeless and displaced. The international community provided substantial aid and support to the affected communities in the aftermath of the earthquake, with many countries and organizations contributing resources and assistance. Number 3. 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. On December 26, 2004, a massive earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3 struck in the Indian Ocean, triggering a catastrophic tsunami that affected 14 countries and caused extensive damage and loss of life. The tsunami estimated death toll of 230,000 people in 14 countries, and caused significant destruction to infrastructure and buildings, including homes, schools, and hospitals. Many people were left without shelter and basic necessities, and the affected communities faced challenges in providing aid and support. The international community responded with a massive relief effort, with numerous countries and organizations contributing resources and assistance. Number 2. 2001 India earthquake. In January 2001, a powerful earthquake measuring 7.7 on the Richter scale struck Gujarat, India. The epicenter of the quake was near the village of Chobari in Kutch district, approximately 20 kilometers away from Bhuj city. The earthquake caused widespread destruction and numerous fatalities, with the official death toll surpassing 20,000 and over 167,000 people injured. The disaster also severely impacted the infrastructure and buildings, with more than 600,000 homes destroyed or damaged, and the total cost of damage estimated to be $5.5 billion. Number 1. 1999 Turkey earthquake. In August 17, 1999, a powerful earthquake struck northwestern Turkey, also known as the Izmit earthquake, causing widespread damage and loss of life. The earthquake had a magnitude of 7.6, resulting in over 17,000 confirmed deaths and numerous injuries.